Get on the banana boat. The banana boat. Yeah, I don't know if that's really a thing or not, but this cocktail is a thing. So today I'm making a drink called the Banana Boat. This, for me, is historic. It is the first ever drink I published to YouTube under the An Idiot's Liquor YouTube channel. Now, I don't remember what it tastes like. It could taste like Banana Boat sunblock for all I know, but I'm guessing it's going to be a mild, fruity tropical drink when we're all said and done. This time, I think I can do a little bit better of a job. Let's find out. So the first thing you want to do is we're going to start off with some banana liqueur, some creme de banana. This bottle is probably the first thing I had this when I made my first episode, so it shows how much I actually use the banana liqueur. But it's going to be a full ounce of banana liqueur going into a shaker tin. We're going to come behind that with some coconut rum. I almost called it pineapple rum. Some coconut rum, Parrot Bay, Malibu, whatever the case may be. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put in an ounce of the coconut rum. Yeah. I only spilled a little bit on myself. If I did this 5 years ago, I probably would have spilled a lot of it on myself. And finally, I just have some pre-measured pineapple juice. There is 2 ounces in here, and that's just going to go into the shaker tin as well. I'm going to follow this up with some ice and give it a nice shake. Oh yeah, that is 5 years of shaking experience. And don't turn that into anything perverted. 5 years. Craziness. Anywho, I think the original drink, I actually poured it over some fresh ice. This time I'm going to pour it into a cocktail glass. You normally would chill it. I like to leave mine unchilled so you can see in the camera how it looks. You should get a nice frothiness from shaking the pineapple juice. And I don't have any, but I think this would be a really cool place to add in certain types of bitters. If you have some crazy bitter flavors to play around with, you could make nice little designs in the top. You can throw a cherry in there as well if you want to. There's a lot of different options here. I'm choosing just to let it go the way it is. But this is how you make a banana boat. All right. Does it taste like sunblock or is it good? Obviously, it's fruity, pineapple-y smell. Not bad, not bad. Definitely not sunblock. The funny thing is, I always feel like banana liqueur and coconut rum are very dominant flavors. And when you mix them in a cocktail, a lot of times they overpower some of the more subtle ingredients. Mixing them together, it's not bad. You get that banana kind of up front with the pineapple, so it's fruity up front, and it finishes with the coconut flavors. Yeah. You know, I've come a long way in 5 years, I think. If you watch the original Banana Boat, you might agree with that. However, if you're interested in following me for years to come, you want to see my drinks, find out more about different cocktails, click down below, hit the subscribe button, the bell icon. That way you're going to get notified anytime I post a new video. So until next time, remember guys, if this idiot can do it, so can you. Cheers.